So during wintertime, I like to get my leather jacket out to wear so I'm nice and warm. And Jitterbug here absolutely adores it. Loves laying in it, so I just lay it down all the time just for him to lay in it. He made it basically his own little bed, and I love it. I think it's still cute. Okay. Give him a little bit of brushes. Oh, he likes that. Usually he attacks it. You want more? Here, I'll give you more. Yeah, see? He's going. Oh, no, he's licking it. Never mind. Bam. Such a cute boy. He's so tired right now. Aren't you, Jitterbug? He's getting annoyed with me. I'm going to leave him alone.